At KVAR.net, we have the ability to set your company's motors at peak efficiency regardless of the age of the motor. This process is done by using special sizing equipment. We can size any motor up to 600 volts. Here we are sizing a 480 volt 60 horse motor. Today we have our electricians setting up the sizing equipment. Now they're attaching the leads from the sizing equipment to the load side of the disconnect. Notice the initial amp reading on the load side and the reading on the line side. By turning the line side meter on power factor, we now can see the overall efficiency of this motor. The higher the power factor reading, the more efficient the motor will run. This motor is running at an 85 power factor. This means it is 11.5% inefficient. By adding capacitance to the running motor, we increase the power factor. The power factor is now at peak efficiency. Now let's look at the new amp reading on the line side meter. The new reading is 53 amps. This equates to a 14% savings in amperage. Notice the reading is still the same on the load side. This means the motor will still receive the amount of amperage it needs to operate, but the amperage going back to the meter has now been reduced. By reducing amperage, we are now going to cool the lines going back to the meter, which means less wattage is now being used. KVAR commercial units are custom made for each individual motor to run at its peak efficiency. Your motors will now run cooler, which will extend the life of the motor and lower maintenance costs. The high cost of monthly electric bills will also go down. The average return on your investment is around 18 months. The units are UL listed and they have a 5-year warranty and will last up to 20 years maintenance free. For more information, contact us today at KVAR.net or the numbers shown on your screen.